I think it's very important at this stage to take some of the lessons from what is happening globally. And my colleague here mentioned that countries are moving, and everybody is not moving at the same pace. So we have to be very careful in terms of how this technology moves. There is something conceptually called a maturity curve. And we normally, if you see the maturity curve, how it's mapped, it moves from a website-based approach which shares information. From there, we move into what we call consult, where you are, next stage, you are not only providing information, you're moving into a consult stage. The third stage is where you move into what we call involving the people. And the next stage is called collaboration, and final stage is empowerment. Unfortunately, this is a very nice maturity curve to map, but these stages don't happen in one after another, and there is no opportunity to plan and react for the government, which these actually overlap each other and will move at very different stages and may move at different stages in different countries. He mentioned some examples, but I think what I would like to mention is the example of European Union. If you see the EU website, they have actually moved. The EU website right now allows you to not only collaborate, most of the policies are discussed openly on the website, and the citizens can provide expert views in terms of building some of the decisions. So it has already moved, although I think some of the other countries, Australia and US, have still moved into the level of sharing information and putting information on open databases in the open domain. So I think that is something we can't afford not to react. And what Shankar Agarwalji was mentioning is the right way to. If this is the situation which we are in, and again, another very interesting thing which I would like to add. What happened in Egypt was that when the social media was being used for this revolution, they blocked the Google, the various. What the media did was they created a toll-free number, and every citizen could actually call from a mobile or any phone, and all these were converted from text to voice, and you could hear what people are saying. So it's very, very difficult to start blocking. That is not a solution. How do you react in each of these stages is something which we have to decide. And what Shankar Agarwalji was saying is the right way to go, that we listen to what is being said.
Listening is the first step.
And then come to a conclusion, jointly collaborate and come to decisions in terms of how we should be moving ahead.